What's catching, guys? Welcome back to another video. JTH Outdoors. Today's video, as y'all see, I'm not at the lake, I'm at my house actually. This is gonna be your intro and outro. So today's the video y'all are gonna be seeing, it's the first Saturday and Sunday in June. So I think it's like June 5th, June 6th, I'm pretty sure. And it's Kentucky's free fishing day. So they open up like lakes, like where it is, it's gonna be Bernheim Forest. They open up those lakes that have not been fished all year long. So no telling how much fish is in there. So the footage y'all gonna be seeing is you know, there where that lake's not been fished all year. So it's pretty sick. So let's get into it, guys.
Oh, I heard the beat. Number 2. Oh,
There's
my.
one.
Oh, I don't have to change quick fast fish. I didn't bring it
Already.
What?
Oh, that was
that's a good one.
no. There was a bass bite.
Me too. That's when you say, no, they don't really bite.
Oh! Already got one. The heck? That's a. Oh, it's trapped in a. No.
Oh.
No.
Killed my spot. That's a good one.
I got the bluegill though.
He's huge.
Special delivery for a gentleman.
Is this my Uber Eats? Uber Eats? Puerto Rican Uber Eats?
No, it's an Italian. He's a hybrid.
I think it's about time to. I caught a bass first cast.
Dad's got the other stuff.
You got me a drink too? Man.
Well, we just got, actually we got it free because the lady didn't charge us.
What?
No. He's going over there to the corner.
Yep. Yeah, that's a good spot.
The bear, they bite instantly.
Oh.
Oh, you're gonna get hung up. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Carlos, where you at? Oh my God. Okay, now that's a good raider. That's a raider.
No. That's a nice bluegill.
Oh! Tony, you got timing.
Oh no! My line broke. What? No. Oh. Oh my God, that was a big one. Dang it, that was a big fish. Throwing this really big swim bait right now. Searching for a lunker. Oh, God. That's a good one. Yes, sir. That's on that big swim bait too. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ate the swim bait. I put a little treble hook right there. I'm glad I put it there. I know it's a Savage, or I think it's a Savage, or no, Mega Bass bait. I forgot what it's called though. It's pretty awesome. I've never caught a fish on it. It's pretty sick. Let's go. It's a nice one. The bait looks good too. Had one hit it. Oh. There you go. That's a good fish. That's a good bass. That's a nice one. Might be why the bluegill aren't really. Mm-hmm. There you go, man. Bandito bug.
See how far it can cast this go.
That's the real question. All the grass already got. Oh, no, that's a big one right here. Joke one. This monster. Sheesh. Oh, old McMuffin right there. That's a nice one. There we go.
There you go.
Look at that coating.
What are you throwing out there for him?
Mm-hmm. Not much on the hook.
No, sometimes they don't need much on it. Oh man.
Oh, that's a few fish, isn't it, Colton? Sorry.
That's all right.
He's got it.
Got a bite.
I saw it right here sitting there. I had one that was, man, endless amount of them. Oh, that's a nice one.
Well, we're selectively.
Yeah. Oh. Yep. Oh. Oh man. Oh man. Hey. Pro stop. That's a really nice one.
Is that 3 pounds?
No, it's about 2.5. Well guys, since this lake is only open once a day the whole year, and I never keep bassing. Honestly, I hate keeping bass in like a bigger pond, but since nobody fishes this, you gotta get these fish out of here, let more get bigger and grow. So we're gonna keep this guy, but normally that's a huge no-no for me. Like in the other lake I fished, the public lake at this place, that like those bass I let go. I will not keep them, but ones here I'll keep them. Better for the ecosystem. Oh, hello. Got him that time. That's a good one. That's a really good one. Yeah, that's a good one. Let's go. Let's go. That's a nice one. No! Let's go. Oh! Dude, I was sitting there looking at my GoPro and all of a sudden my rod just went. He ticked it really hard. And I felt him on there for a second. By the time I hooked it, he was gone. Oh my God. There you go, man. I couldn't get that GoPro to turn on. No. It's a nice one. I'd say that works. I mean, he's using a bait kind of like yours. It's just a matter of getting it to him, I guess. I don't know. There you go.
Yeah, one of them.
Oh! Got him. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's all right. It's not that good. I know. What's the deal? Bandito bugs getting it done. Alrighty, guys. Thanks so much for watching today's video. We're actually gonna go back tomorrow, so I'm actually gonna film tomorrow too. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. I ain't even fighting. No way. Ready. Alrighty, guys, we're at a new lake. It's looking juicy too. A little snaky. It's looking good though. Hopefully get a nice sized bass. Have not caught one yet this morning. There he is. That's not the big one, but oh.
It's not the big one, but it's a nice one.
Better than what we were doing.
Yeah, really. Oh, there's another one. Just looking.
I think we're just gonna kill him here.
Oh, you should have seen the moss already.
Oh.
I wonder if that was that same one that I lost. I don't have any over by me. No.
Joaquin.
Line, bro.
Joaquin. Dude.
Joaquin, I appreciate you.
Oh. Oh my God, we just got a spoonbill. Oh my God, it's gonna spool me. Oh. There's one. Nice red ear. There we go. We got some bluegill, guys. There's another one. Slowly but surely, we're getting on some fish. Just a mess of bluegill. Normally not my kind of fishing, but when I'm not on kayak getting some nice slab crappie, this is it's pretty fun. Fills in the void. Bass grabbed my little bait, little tiny bass. It won't turn on. There's fun.
Oh, no.
What the? Oh, that's so slick. Wow. Oh, these stupid garlic scented night crawlers. Yeah, we left that spot. About 4th, 5th one right here. You got probably 50, 60 bluegill. Oh, that's a bass. Little guy. Oh my God. He just threw up a wacky worm.
Oh, it's that one guy.
No. No.
Yep.
That's the one. Because Rob said I just lost a wacky one.
No way. He just threw up a wacky worm.
Good.
There he is. Oh, that's a nice one. You filling her up? Like I've gotten like 6 or 7 in a row.